Let's read more words. Five sense organs. Five sense organs. Eyes, eyes, eyes. I can see with my eyes. I can see with my eyes. Ears, ears, ears. I can hear with my ears. I can hear with my ears. Nose, nose, nose. I can smell with my nose. I can smell with my nose. Tongue, tongue, tongue. I can taste with my tongue. I can taste with my tongue. Hand, hand, hand. I can touch with my hand. I can touch with my hand. Five sense organs. I can see with my eyes. I can hear with my ears. I can smell with my nose. I can taste with my tongue. I can touch with my hand.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCantutorial Services.